All right, so let's add some kind of a chest to this guy. I'm going to Shift A, and I'm going to add a cube mesh. And let's grab this on Z and just move it down a little bit. I'm going to actually adjust the scale on Z manually. I'm going to type in 0.5. And let's position that again. Grab on Z. Cool. Side view, let's grab it and move it over on Y a little bit. I think I'm going to leave the scale on Y as it is. On the front view, I'm going to scale this on X and make it wider rather substantially. And then I'm going to tab into edit mode. I'm going to select this face and I'm going to extrude by pushing E and then push 1. And in essence, what I did was I moved down and created another face that is the same value as this one. I'll do it one more time. E to extrude, 1, and enter. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some loop cuts. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come to this edge here, and I'm going to do a Control R. And then I'm actually going to hit enter, and then I'm going to move my mouse back just a bit. A lot of times if I'm just trying to get something even, I would just hit enter twice and call it good enough. But I'm kind of thinking that I'll want that slightly off center as I move forward. I'm going to go around to the front view, and I'm going to do another loop cut here. So I'm going to select the bottom here. I'm going to do a Control R. I'm going to hit enter and enter again right away, locking that into place. And then I will come back and I will make some adjustments. We'll do some subdivisions using a modifier.